Hello, welcome back to our channel, that is BCC Broadcast. Today we are going to discuss about the passwords of router. See what happened basically in our network. There are inbound network and outbound network. In inbound network we implement some of the routers, and outbound network are also the mess of routers are there where the various paths are moving. So we need to access the router in a secured manner, that is the password access. So when we provide the password to the router, we can configure the password, that is in the console port, auxiliary port, login port and enable password. So today we are going to discuss about the enable password. So in enable password we have two type of passwords are there. One is which the password can be visible in a plain text manner, and another secret password we can provide, which is an encrypted methodology, where the hashing algorithm will be there, which will be encrypt the password in a non-readable format, that is the ciphertext format. So today we are going to see how the password works, whether it can be visible or not. So we will see in both the cases that in a plain text format the password will be visible, and we will also see that the password will be encrypted methodology, that is the ciphertext format. Continuation of configuration of password in the router, we'll see that how the password is visible in the router for enable password. So we'll configure here, that is that router has booted already, so we'll go for no. Then we will come for the configuration, that is user mode, we'll say enable. Then we'll go to the, you can see that the prompt has changed from the it has been in the privilege mode. So here you can see that it has in a hash prompt. Now we'll say that configuration configure terminal. So here we'll say that password, that is the first we'll put the host name, that is Bluecrest. We have configured the host name of the router, that is Bluecrest. We have changed the name. Now we are going to configure the password. So see, we have two type of password. One is enable password. So you have noticed that in that particular section, that when we enable the router, it has not asked me any password. So now we are going to fix the password. So we'll say that password enable password, that is it will be in the plain text. So here there is no password is hidden, it will be visible. So we'll put password as a CCNA and it will be visible. So if I want to check the password, so we'll exit here and again we will exit so that we can test here. So you can see that it has came in the user mode. Now we'll put the enable. So you can see that it will ask me the password. So in the earlier command configuration we didn't require any password. Now it is asking me the password, that is CCNA, and we can see that it has been enabled with the password. So it has logged into the hash prompt, that is the privilege mode. So now if I want to check that this password is visible or not, we can see that so running configuration. So we will check that the password is visible. So you can see that enable password and it is visible here. So what is the password? This is the password, that is CCNA. But another case is that we can also configure this password in an encrypted manner, that is a non-readable format, that is a ciphertext format. So we will configure now the secret password. So we'll move to the global configuration mode, that is configure terminal. We'll move to the terminal. Now we'll configure secret password. So we will say enable and secret, that is Cisco, CISCO. Now we have configured the password as a secret password, and this password is encrypted password. It is not visible because it has changed the password in a encrypted manner and it is in a ciphertext format. So we'll check that now that secret password is working or not. So we'll exit now. When we exit this, again we will exit and we'll check that it is working or not. So we can see that now it has came out from the, we have exited from the global configuration mode to the user mode. So now we'll put enable router. When we enable router, it is asking me the password. So it is updated with the new password, that is Cisco password, and you can see that it has logged in to the privilege mode. So now if I want to check this password is visible or not, we can test. So that we'll use that command, that is show configuration, show command, show running configuration. So we'll check that, and you can see that the earlier password was the CCNA and the new password was Cisco, which is encrypted password. So you can see that it is been in the different format, that is non-readable format. It has got a secret password, that is a non-readable format. It is encrypted password and it is in the ciphertext format. So you can see that the password has been changed over here. So these are the two process of password where we can provide for the enable password. Okay, so we can see that, so that every time whenever we log into the remote routers, it will be prompted with you the password. So if anybody want to access that password, it will be not visible easily. So here you can see that it is an encrypted password, and we always insist, we always recommend that password should be provided with the encrypted password rather than the plain text password, that is your enable password. So we have two type of password: enables plain text password, that is simple password, and enable secret password, which is encrypted password. So I hope you have understand that how to configure a password in a router, that is enable password, in two methods. That is, either you can configure in a plain text format, that is readable format, and we can also configure the password, we can hide our password in an encrypted manner, that is in a ciphertext. If you want to learn more about the configuration of routers and configuration of devices, so please visit to our college, 77 Wilkinson Road. This is Amarnath Mishra from Blue Crest College. Thank you.